we're going to be removing and replacing the cabin filter on a 2024 Audi Q5.
Okay, so you want to come over to the passenger side. Here's the glove box. We're gonna go underneath it. So it's gonna go right here. So there's two clips on each side that we're gonna remove. This one. Let me see if I can. This one right here. So after you remove those two, I'm gonna just pull out this cover. Like on the side. So I wanna come underneath it. Cabin filter sits right here. So you just want to pull it, and it comes right off. So that's the cover, that's the cabin. And that's where it sits. Same thing when you put it back in, put it in reverse order of removal.